Hello and welcome back to the very best of living with Dr. Promise, where we uncover powerful ways to live stronger, longer, and healthier. We're especially focused on helping our amazing senior community stay strong, independent, and full of life. If everyday tasks like getting up, carrying groceries, or climbing stairs feel harder, you're not alone. You could be experiencing something called sarcopenia, the gradual muscle loss that comes with aging. But here's the good news: muscle loss isn't your destiny. There are powerful foods that can help you rebuild. Today, I'll show you 5 foods that naturally support muscle growth and help restore your strength at any age. So grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's dive in. After age 50, we start losing about 1% of our muscle mass per year. This condition is called sarcopenia. It happens due to less protein intake, reduced activity, and a drop in muscle-building hormones. But with the right foods and simple movement, you can slow or even reverse muscle loss. Ignoring muscle loss leads to serious issues, including falls, injuries, and loss of independence. Weak muscles don't just make life harder. They quietly drain your energy and mobility over time. The great news: you can rebuild what you've lost, naturally. Let's crack open our first muscle-saving food, eggs. One of nature's most complete protein sources. Each egg contains all 9 essential amino acids your body can't make on its own. Among them, leucine stands out. It stimulates muscle repair and growth. And don't skip the yolk, it's loaded with nutrients vital for aging muscles. Yolks contain vitamin D for muscle strength and balance, plus choline for brain and cell health. Healthy fats in yolks also support hormone production, including those that maintain muscle mass. Studies confirm eggs boost muscle protein synthesis, especially in older adults. They're easy to digest, rich in high-quality protein, and work even when aging muscles absorb protein less efficiently. Aim for 2 to 3 whole eggs per day. Try them boiled, scrambled, or in an omelette with veggies. Don't throw out the yolk, that's where the muscle magic lives. If you're concerned about cholesterol, speak with your doctor. For most, eggs are safe and don't raise cholesterol significantly. Adding eggs to your diet is a small change that delivers big benefits for muscle and strength. Next up, a delicious and powerful fish, wild-caught salmon. It's one of the richest sources of nutrients that directly protect aging muscles. Salmon is packed with omega-3s, EPA and DHA, 2 anti-inflammatory superstars. As we age, chronic inflammation increases, which breaks down muscle over time. Omega-3s help reduce that inflammation and slow down the muscle wasting process. EPA and DHA also boost how the body uses protein by enhancing muscle protein synthesis. That means your muscles grow stronger after meals or physical activity. Plus, salmon is loaded with high-quality protein, 22 grams in just a 3-ounce serving. This complete protein includes leucine, which is essential for triggering muscle repair. Salmon also delivers vitamin D, which supports muscles and bone strength. Low vitamin D is common in seniors and linked to weakness, imbalance, and falls. Wild salmon is cleaner and more nutrient-rich than farmed salmon, fewer toxins and higher omega-3s. If you're not into salmon, you've got options. Try sardines, mackerel, trout, or herring. Even high-quality omega-3 supplements can help, but whole fish gives you the full nutrition package. Prepare salmon your way: grilled, baked, or flaked into a salad. Aim for 2 to 3 servings per week. Consistency is more important than perfection. Eating wild-caught salmon regularly not only supports muscles, it boosts heart, brain, and joints too. So when planning your meals, think of salmon. It's a true muscle-preserving superfood for seniors. Coming in at number 3 is something creamy, satisfying, and surprisingly powerful for aging muscles, Greek yogurt. You've likely seen it on store shelves or in your fridge, but do you know why it's so special? It's all about the protein, and not just any protein. Greek yogurt contains two muscle-building champions, whey and casein. Whey digests fast, giving muscles a quick boost, while casein digests slowly over several hours. This makes Greek yogurt a perfect bedtime snack, helping muscles recover while you sleep. As we age, our muscle recovery slows down, but steady nighttime protein helps reverse that process. It's like setting your muscles up for overnight maintenance and repair. But the benefits go beyond protein. Greek yogurt is rich in calcium, a must-have mineral for strong bones. Strong bones improve balance, prevent fractures, and boost your confidence in daily movement. And there's more. Greek yogurt contains probiotics, those friendly bacteria that support gut health. A healthy gut does more than ease digestion. It helps absorb nutrients, fights inflammation, and boosts immunity. All these benefits matter deeply when it comes to aging strong and aging well. Just 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt gives you about 15 to 20 grams of protein, more than regular yogurt. It also has fewer carbs and a thicker texture, making it more filling without being heavy. So how should you enjoy it? Start with plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to avoid hidden sugars in flavored versions. Then make it delicious and nutrient-packed. Add berries, chopped nuts, or a drizzle of raw honey. This makes a perfect quick breakfast, a midday snack, or a post-walk recovery option. Its smooth texture is gentle on aging teeth and easy to digest. Worried about dairy? Many seniors find Greek yogurt easier to tolerate than milk. It has less lactose and probiotics that aid digestion. Still sensitive? Try lactose-free Greek-style yogurts or plant-based options with added protein and live cultures. Here's the key takeaway. If you want stronger muscles, better bones, and improved digestion, Greek yogurt delivers. And remember, it's not just about getting enough protein, it's about spreading it evenly throughout the day. Adding Greek yogurt in the evening can make a real difference over time. So the next time you open the fridge, reach for this creamy powerhouse. Greek yogurt isn't just tasty, it's one of the smartest foods you can eat to age strong and live well. Food number 4 is a classic, an old-school favorite with surprising strength benefits, cottage cheese. Simple in appearance, but don't be fooled. This is one of the most underrated muscle foods for seniors. What makes it special? It's packed with casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles gradually over several hours. Eat it at night, and you give your muscles a steady supply of amino acids while you sleep. It's like a silent repair team working through the night, perfect for aging bodies that rebuild slower. Cottage cheese also delivers leucine, an essential amino acid that triggers muscle growth. Without enough leucine, building or maintaining muscle becomes much harder, especially as you age. So this humble food gives you a powerful 1-2 punch, slow-release casein and leucine-powered support. A half-cup serving packs around 14 grams of protein with just 80 to 100 calories, big results for minimal effort. It's ideal for seniors aiming to lose fat while preserving precious muscle mass. Versatile and easy to enjoy. Eat it plain, or dress it up with fruit, nuts, or cinnamon. Want something savory? Add it to salads, baked sweet potatoes, or dips. It's also budget-friendly, low-carb, and gentle on digestion, perfect for older adults on a limited income or sensitive stomach. Need more protein at breakfast or bedtime? Cottage cheese makes it simple. Try it with berries and walnuts in the morning, or on its own as a night snack for overnight muscle repair. It's soft, no cooking required, and stores easily in your fridge for several days. Watching your sodium intake. Go for low sodium or no salt added versions. Here's the bottom line. If you want a simple, high-impact way to support aging muscles, add cottage cheese to your weekly menu. It's easy, affordable, and packed with muscle-friendly power, a perfect companion on your journey to healthy aging. And finally, food number 5, a plant-based powerhouse, lentils and legumes. Beans, chickpeas, black beans, and lentils, all rich in plant protein, fiber, and iron. They help build strong muscles, prevent fatigue, and support your overall energy. While they're lower in leucine than animal proteins, when combined with grains like brown rice, they form a complete protein. 1 cup of cooked lentils gives you around 18 grams of protein, plus magnesium and potassium, which support muscle contraction and relaxation. They're also great for your digestion, and help stabilize blood sugar levels. That's important, because high blood sugar can contribute to muscle loss through insulin resistance. Let's take a moment for a real story. Meet Mrs. Johnson, 68 years old. She loved gardening, planting roses, tending flowers, but lately, things changed. Climbing stairs left her breathless. Carrying laundry, a struggle. Soon, even a few steps required grabbing the handrail. She started skipping her gardening altogether. What was happening? Not just aging, but sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength. It wasn't just about physical strength, her balance, confidence, and joy were slipping away too. Eventually, she began avoiding social events, and that led to loneliness and frustration. But here's the good news, muscle loss is not final. It can be slowed, stopped, or even reversed. Mrs. Johnson began simple resistance exercises, and added more protein-rich foods to her diet. Within weeks, she felt stronger, steadier, and full of life again. She returned to her garden, and to herself. Her story is your reminder. You can rebuild muscle at any age. Your body just needs the right building blocks to do it. So stock your fridge. Plan your meals. And make these powerful foods, like eggs, salmon, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, and lentils, part of your life. Because your strength, your mobility, and your future independence depend on it. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone you love, and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly tips on healthy living, right here on The Very Best of Living with Dr. Promise. Until next time, stay strong, stay healthy, and stay blessed.